Hello everybody, Betty G here and
Louis G.
my hubby.
Yep.
Just wanted to quickly take a short amount of time to share with you why we signed up for ID Life. I am a personal trainer and I've been doing this for 5 years. We run our own boot camps together. We love it and get approached every single day pretty much, or by phone call, whoever, needing to sell something for somebody to help results, all of it. I have researched every company. I've tried one or two and they just didn't help everybody. This ID Life product, when I went and started looking into it, I believed in it. I thought it was really going to cover all the can'ts and the obstacles and the objectives that I have with people. And I just thought that it would be something that could help us as well. And we never took anything before. So I came home all excited to tell my husband about it, that I had finally found something that I was excited about, which I've done that a million times before. I get excited about a lot. But in our house, it's pretty typical. He just shuts it down. He shut all those other things down. He said no. And since I really believed in this, I took a different approach. Instead of fighting him and trying to prove to him why it was so great, I just went ahead and prayed about it. I asked God for the impossible. I said, if you want to have me as a personal trainer include this in the business that you've already given me, and it will enhance it and it'll have your green light on it, I can go full throttle, be passionate about it, and know that it's going to help, then I want you to go through my husband. The next day, I talked to my husband on the phone while he was at work, working overtime, and I'll let him share with you what happened.
I was working overtime, like she said, and a buddy of mine at work had the product, and I saw it, and I remember that Betty had asked me about it not too long ago, and so I asked him a few questions about it, and he told me about why he was on it and what he thought about it, and I looked into it some more, and as I looked into it, it looked like a product that I would take. The vitamins themselves are something that I knew I should have been taking and just hadn't. So when I did the assessment, I saw what the benefits were, and I decided this is something that I wouldn't mind taking, whether you make any money or not. I believed that it was something healthy that would work for me. So that's why I decided to say okay and let Betty be able to take off with this and be able to share the same benefits with the rest of her clients also.
So, in a nutshell, it's something that God gave the green light to. Like I said, I'm going full throttle. If I share this with you, this is why I'm so passionate, because He said yes. I don't want to take His gift for granted. So, I want you to do me a favor and go to www.begutsy.idlife.com and take your free assessment and looking to see what vitamins your body needs to be on so that you can be healthy from the inside out and stay that way. It's easy, very affordable, and it's working for us. 3.5 weeks in, we are seeing some major changes, and clients of ours are too. If you want to join our team, ask us how, and we will help you out with that.